Hi, today I'm dipping Oreos and vanilla wafers in white chocolate. And so we're going to make this for the 4th of July. And it is just my typical white chocolate little tiny chips, as well as your favorite Oreos and your favorite vanilla wafers. These are mine. And some red, white, and blue sprinkles to add. We're going to microwave the white chocolate for about 60 seconds. You want to stir that, and you don't want to cook this too long because it'll harden. And once you've mixed that all together, you're going to take your Oreos and you're going to dip them about halfway into the white chocolate. And you'll just sit those on parchment paper and cover them with a few of your favorite sprinkles. Again, we're doing this for the 4th, so I've added these sprinkles and we're going to let those dry. And so I didn't want to do all Oreos because I know my girls like the wafers. The little girls like the wafers. And so I've dipped those in white chocolate as well and covered them with sprinkles. This project takes about, 5 minutes, and you can have a fun little cookie to celebrate the day. I hope you have an enjoyable holiday.